How much should an EV cost? Depending on where you live, you might benefit from government incentives or tax breaks when purchasing an EV. Many European countries have programs in place to make EVs more affordable. Although the initial purchase of an EV is typically more expensive than your average automobile, there is much more to consider when determining the overall cost of owning an EV. Can I save money by driving an EV? Not only are energy costs in general cheaper than fuel, EV cars also have a long-term payback effect over their lifetime. When considering the total cost, you should also consider the cost of maintaining the vehicle over its lifetime. For BEVs, thanks to a reduced number of consumable components, you can have a lower maintenance cost. Like every Hyundai, our electrified models also enjoy a 5-year unlimited mileage warranty. On top of that, the high-performance lithium-ion polymer battery inside is warranty protected for 8 years or 160,000 kilometers, whichever comes first.